Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. Today's recipe is quite different but so worth it. I'm going to show you how to make a Malai cake. This is a kind of an Indian version of a leches cake. It has a sponge cake base that is soaked in saffron and cardamom flavored sweet milk, and it will literally melt in your mouth, and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. Start by making the cake. So in a bowl, using a strainer, sift in 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once sifted, set aside. Next, separate 3 eggs, adding the egg whites to one bowl and the egg yolks to another. Once separated, take the bowl with the egg yolks and add in 1/2 cup of sugar. Use a hand mixer to beat on medium speed till the batter becomes light and creamy. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 cup of milk. Beat till well combined. Once this mixture comes together, set this aside. Now take the bowl of egg whites and beat on high speed till the egg whites become airy and has medium peaks like so. Now it's time to put the cake batter together. So add in the sifted flour mixture to the egg yolk mixture and fold the dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients till well combined. Next, add in the whipped egg whites into the batter. Now fold this in till combined. Make sure to fold the egg whites into the batter carefully so that the cake batter does not deflate. You should get a fluffy cake batter. Now pour the cake batter into a greased 9x9-inch square baking pan. Bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Once the cake is baked and cooling, let's make the malai. So take 2 tablespoons of milk and add in few strands of saffron. Give this a good mix and let it sit for 10 minutes so that the milk gets infused with the saffron flavor. Place a saucepan on medium heat and add in 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1/3 cup of condensed milk, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Give this a quick stir and bring this mixture to a simmer. When the mixture starts simmering, add in 1 teaspoon of powdered pistachios and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Also pour in the saffron milk. Make sure to give this a stir and bring this mixture to a boil. Once the milk mixture starts to boil, give it a quick stir and remove from the heat and let this milk mixture slightly cool. Meanwhile, take a fork and poke holes into the cake so that when you pour the milk mixture, the cake can absorb all of the sweet milk. Pour the slightly cooled milk mixture over the cake and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour to let the cake absorb the milk. Meanwhile, make the whipped cream to go over the top. So in a mixing bowl, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Beat this on medium speed till you get medium to stiff peaks. Our cake has been sitting for about 40 minutes now and it has absorbed all of the malai milk. Add the whipped cream over the cake and spread it out evenly. Now top the cake with coarsely chopped pistachios. Now our cake is ready to enjoy. You can serve this right away or chill till ready to serve. This cake is so easy to make and it's definitely one of a kind. And it's perfect if you love Indian flavored desserts. If you enjoyed watching this Malai cake recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!